Right guys, okay, question number 6. So there are n counters in a bag. 4 of the counters are red and the rest are blue. Ross takes a counter from the bag at random and does not replace it. He then takes another counter at random from the bag. The probability that Ross takes 2 blue counters is 1/3. Show that n squared minus 13n plus 30 equals 0. So he takes 4 red counters. So we'll put that in. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rest are blue. So if there are n in total, then the amount that are blue is going to be n minus 4. Yeah? Okay. Let's do our tree. So we have red, blue. So the probability to pick a red is going to be 4 over n. Probability we pick a blue is n minus 4 blues over n in total. Second time. So we've got red, blue, red, and blue. We pick a second red, there's only 3 left, over n minus 1 in total. We pick a blue, first time, so there's still n minus 4 blues over n minus 1 total. We pick a blue first, and then we pick a red. There's gonna be 4 reds still in there, over n minus 1. We pick a blue, then another blue. Now there is n minus 5 over n minus 1. Now it says probability of picking 2 blues, so it's going to be n minus 4 over n times n minus 5 over n minus 1, and that will equal 1/3. So put that in, we're going to have n minus 4 over n times n minus 5 over n minus 1 equals 1/3. Let's multiply out, so we're going to have n minus 4 times n minus 5 all over n times n minus 1 equals 1/3. Get rid of the fractions, so times everything by this, so it goes up here, times everything by 3, goes up here. So we will have 3 times n minus 4 times n minus 5 equals n times n minus 1. Let's expand these brackets and this. So we will have 3 times, we're going to get n times n, or n squared. N times minus 5 plus n times minus 4 gives us minus 9n. And then minus 4 times minus 5, 2 negatives make a positive, so we have positive 20. And that equals n times n is n squared. N times minus 1 is minus n. Okay. Now we can distribute, so we can make 3 times all of this, so we're going to get 3n squared minus 27n plus 60 equals n squared minus n. Now, running out of space, I'm going to carry on up here. So we want to take n squared from both sides, so that leaves 2n squared there. Want to take, or we add n to both sides, so then we've got minus 26n plus 60. And then that will equal 0. Now, this is all a multiple of 2, so we can just divide everything by 2, which gives n squared minus 13n plus 30. Yeah, divide by 2. And that equals 0. And that's what we've done. We have to show n squared minus 13n plus 30 equals 0. Okay, that's the first part. Now the part B, find the value of n. Okay, so n squared minus 13n plus 30. Let me just write that in. N squared minus 13n plus 30 equals 0. So we have our brackets, got our quadratic. So we'll have n, 2 numbers to multiply to make 30 and add to make minus 13. It's going to be 10 and 3. Now they're both going to be negative because minus 10 minus 3 is minus 13. 2 negatives multiplied make a positive, so minus 10 times minus 3 is positive 30. So n equals 10 or 3. Now n cannot equal less than 4. So n equals 10. Okay, that's it. Right guys, see you in the next video.